Hey everyone, it's me, Allie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to recreate this eye look, or I guess I'm going to do this. It's a look I've done before and I just really wanted to recreate it for you guys because I thought that you would like it. So, if you'd like to see how I did this, then just keep watching. I'm not sure how I should do this video, I'm gonna be honest. Guess I'll just do what I always do. The main focus here is the eye makeup. I'm just priming my face like usual. Gonna do all the normal face stuff. Face is primed and I'm gonna do eyebrows next like always. Eyebrows are on. Now it's time to put some concealer on my eyes, set it, and then we're gonna get to the eyeshadow. I don't know why I did that. I'm gonna like cringe at myself whenever I put that in the video. Am I pretty? Tell me I'm pretty. Now it's time for the eye makeup. I'm pretty excited for this. I've only ever done it once before, but yeah. So I did my take on this look. What I'm going to be using today is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and James Charles palette. What I did, I dipped into that. Yeah. This shade and this shade, and I took that one. Like, I just kind of mixed them, and it gives you that color somehow. Like, I don't know, colors, you know. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it right on like the outer eye. So now I'm just going to take a yellow shade and I'm going to put that in the crease where she has it, and it'll blend nicely with this red to make orange. So I'm just taking that yellow shade from the James Charles palette. Depending on how it looks, I might mix a little bit of a brighter yellow shade from here. I'm just going back into the same three shades that I used to make the red, and I'm just touching it up. So now for the really pretty blue shade, which is what really drew me to this look, I'm going to be using this shade from the James Charles palette. My precious. My precious. And we're just going to pack it on the eyelid. Ooh. I'm so scared. I'm gonna use a brush right now. Now remember, now I did mix this with another shade. I don't remember which palette. I'm pretty sure it was this one. That one I just kind of like layer it over because it's a like brighter blue. Now I'm going to take a shimmery-ish white color to highlight the brow bone, because it looks like that's what she did in the picture. Now I'm going to do the eyeliner. I'm very scared. I'm going to try, and we'll see. You see that? Like the bubble? Like, that's why I don't like this. Huh. Okay. We got a line. Now let's let it dry so it doesn't spread. So if we can get this line to match, then we're good. Okay, so we have an issue over here, but we'll fix it. I'm gonna be back really quick. I need to get a baby wipe to fix this one because my hand was too shaky. Okay, so that part's done. They're obviously not twins. I swear this freaking side of mascara is being so difficult. Ooh. Okay, so now we're gonna do some concealer and I'm gonna put on my foundation. I went ahead and set my foundation too, so I'm just going to do blush and highlight and contour. Okay, I'm not gonna put on any lipstick today because I'm getting ready to eat lunch, but this is the finished look. I'm gonna get closer. Hello. So I actually really like the way that this turned out. It turned out better than I thought it would. And I hope you all liked it too. If you did, then leave a like below. Don't forget to subscribe and become a member of my YouTube family. Check me out on social media. All my social media handles are linked below. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I am going to link my other playlists too. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Ah!